Begin with a bang, a whole pig roast, Filipino style. A culinary adventure that elevates a birthday party to a gastronomic festival. Step 1. Select a fresh, cleaned baby pig. Eyes clear, skin smooth. Next, marinate. A blend of soy sauce, vinegar, and calamansi juice. Add sugar, salt, garlic, and lemongrass. Make it a night-long soak, letting flavors seep into the meat. Morning comes, time to prepare the roasting pit. Charcoal is your best friend here, providing consistent, indirect heat. Then the pig goes onto the rotisserie. Slow and steady wins this race. Baste it frequently with marinade, turn it regularly. Hours pass, the pig becomes a golden brown, crispy skin, succulent meat underneath. Finally, serve with steamed rice, achara, and lechon sauce. A feast fit for a king or a birthday celebrant. Remember, good things take time, and a Filipino-style pig roast is worth every second. Loop back to the start, let's do it all over again. Because a celebration like this, it's more than just a meal. It's a tradition, a spectacle, a memory in the making. And that's your minute guide to roasting a whole pig Filipino style. Happy cooking!